Hi, you are watching Farming Discover YouTube channel. Now we will show a video on how to grow carrots. The carrot is most loved as it is a part of healthy diet. Carrot is a winter season crop and if grown at 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius will develop a very good color. Carrot crop needs deep loamy soil and pH should be ranging from 6.0 to 7.0 for higher production. You can easily grow this healthy vegetable in your kitchen garden. Carrot farming. Carrots farming is done in the spring, summer, and autumn in temperate climate countries and during winter in tropical and subtropical regions. You can grow carrots all year round and they are so simple. Just sow carrot seed regularly for a year-round crop. Carrots are an easy and rewarding crop to grow, great for encouraging children to eat their vegetables. To grow sweet, healthier and long carrots start to grow with soil. And proper soil preparation is very important in carrot growing. Carrot seed sowing. Carrots are grown by directly seed sowing. Sprinkle the seeds over the soil surface. Rather than transplanting, as carrots do not like to have carrot plant roots disturbed. Firm the soil gently and water immediately after seeds covered. If you want to buy carrot seeds, follow the link given below in description. You can grow carrots from carrot tops. Even you can try at your home growing carrot from carrot's top. Bed preparation for carrots plant and watering. Place the container in full sun as carrots prefer sun all day long. Choose the place where your carrots will get enough sunlight and keep the soil little moist at all times for good germination. Carrot seeds will start to germinate within 6 to 8 days. Which is the right season to grow carrots? Carrots are cool season crop and grow best when planted in early spring. August to November is best and right time to grow carrots. Keep the soil moist at all time. Do not let the soil dry for any extended amount of time. Weeding. First weeding should be done on 15th day. Thinning and earthing up is to be given on 30th day. Fertilizer for carrots. Feed your carrots with organic fertilizer such as vermicompost, cattle manure, farmyard manure once in 20 to 25 days to encourage plant growth. And water well after fertilizing. Carrot harvesting. Carrots gets matured around 75 to 90 days. Carrots are a popular root vegetable that is easy to grow in sandy soil. They are resistant to most pests and diseases and are a good late season crop that can tolerate frost. Not all carrots are orange, their varieties vary in color like purple, black to white, or when they are half to 1 inch in diameter. You can harvest whenever desired maturity is reached. How to planting carrots and caring. Carrot growing difficulty level, it is easy to grow. Try to sow as close as you can to the correct spacing to avoid too much thinning. Tips to grow carrots. Avoid overwatering. Water when the soil feels dry to touch. Look for root borer or other pest attack and go for organic at first. Spacing for carrots is 3 to 4 cm between plants and 20 to 25 cm between rows. Apply fertilizer 5 to 6 weeks after sowing. Better to apply any organic fertilizer. Harvesting and storage. You may harvest whenever desired maturity is reached. If you simply put fresh carrots in the refrigerator, they'll go limp in a few hours. Carrots can be stored in tubs of moist sand for winter use. Thank you for watching. Like the video and share with your friends. And if not subscribed our channel, subscribe Farming Discover. Have a nice day.